All right, digital entrepreneurs, Jabari, Courtney here with side little tidbit for those of you who are using social media to build your business. As I've said before in previous trainings, it's one of the top ways to go ahead and let folks know about your business. And typically, right now we're seeing a lot of people having success with Facebook and Instagram, and I'm show you a little tidbit for those. One of the most successful ways, of course, is posting status updates and different things like that. But what you'll find is you'll get a higher conversion rate when someone is posting a picture along with a message. And ideally, we tell you to go ahead and put your website in that message so that people can see it. But the other strength about having a picture is that when you have a picture in there, people actually share those pictures. If you have a nice quote or a nice saying or just a picture that they want to share, so they share that with other people, and so pictures just get shared across the scene. Now let me show you a way to take advantage of that so that it can work to your benefit. There's a product called Snagit, and if you want to get information about Snagit, it's a TechSmith product, the same people that make Camtasia. And what Snagit does is it actually allows you to input your information on a picture. So for instance, let me just put this up here. Alright, so I had this picture redlined. I grabbed it from somewhere online, and basically it's talking about going to the extreme, always operating on full maximum capacity. And so it's a picture that I'll share because I'll probably put a quote or some kind of saying with it to talk about momentum. But at the same time, I also added my website in here at the bottom. Now I don't know if I'm going to work with this color because it kind of blends in with the red here. So I'll probably grab this and actually make it in yellow. Let me do that now. Let me see if I can get this yellow, because I think yellow will show up a lot better. Let's see. There we go. Yeah, you see how that yellow stands out? So now if somebody's seeing this picture, they go see this picture says red line it, and then they go see this bright yellow stand out. So I'll keep that because against the black background that actually works, and it goes from there. So to get Snagit, it's normally a product that you have to purchase, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you all a way to go ahead and get this for free, to go ahead and use it. And we go to our favorite YouTube, and what you can do is type in Snagit, Snagit 11 free download, and you'll have a bunch of different videos where people showing you how to go ahead and download the Snagit software. I actually did this one from Blue Haze Productions, so I know that one works. Most of these work though, and you'll see comments and everything. And it's just really as simple to give you some codes that people use when they bought it, and they share the codes with other people, and you have access to it. So this is a pretty cool little tool to use to add something to your pictures, so that you can have your website, your links go viral when people share your pictures, whether it's on Facebook, Instagram, which I highly recommend doing on Instagram, Pinterest, I guess it'll work, Twitter, it'll work on there as well. And the other one other thing about this too is when you share it, a lot of times it won't be a picture like this, it'll be a quote. And I was trying to see if I had any quotes readily available, but I just decided to do this right now, so I didn't have any quotes readily available. But you can actually put your website into the quote to make it look like it's part of it as well. And that's another way to go ahead and have more people visit your site to get information about your business. Go to your capture page, and that way you can go from there. So hope that's a quick tidbit that helps you all get more traffic and more people interested in this opportunity that we have with the digital entrepreneurs. This is Jabari. I'll see you all at the top.